morning. We are on the road, aren't we, Sammy? Yep, there's a break in the wind. I think it was my friend Leslie, I think, told me of a new app called Drive Weather. You do have to pay for it, but I've been using it and I think it's worth it. You can put your route in there and then you can look out about a week, I guess, and look at how the winds are, and sustained winds and then gust winds, and kind of look all the way through your whole path, and then you can look at different days. And I had today as a window to travel, and or 4 days from now, so I picked today, so we're on the road. Hopefully I will be in Texas today. Yay! Yeah, so I got up before, or I got outside and got all my hookups and everything undone before the sun came up. The sun's kind of bright now. Got a little shot, y'all saw that, a little shot of the sunrise and the moon. But anyway, we are on the road, and fingers crossed we'll be in Texas today. Woohoo! Welcome to Texas. Alright, going into Taco Villa. This one looks like an original building, but so I got a meat burrito with nacho cheese and sour cream, green sauce, and a crispy taco, jalapenos, and 2 different red sauces. Ooh, it's gonna be messy. Yeah, but it's good. That burrito was enough. I really don't need this taco, but I'm gonna at least eat a few bites of it. Take it with me. And if you look at this sign, it says Tex-Mex with a twist. So it's not your normal Taco Villa sign, but that's your normal Taco Villa sign. And if you look at this cup, it says Taco Villa Fresh. I don't know if all of them say that, but anyway. Sammy? You ready to get back on the road? Okay. I'm driving through my old stomping grounds of when I worked as a roustabout. I used to work in the oil field as a roustabout. And I worked in Andrews, Texas, all around Seminole, Lamesa, all in those areas. And I'm driving through here right now and looking at all the cotton fields and the hay fields and the rich red dirt. As far as your eye can see, all you can see are the red dirt fields, and brings back a whole lot of memories. I worked in different locations. I worked on gas booster stations. I was a mechanic's helper. And so we would drive around to all these different, I don't remember how many booster stations there were, but we would drive around and work on them. If they went down, we'd have to determine why they went down and fix it if there was an issue. We did preventative maintenance on them, and so they'd sometimes be down for the day, and then we'd have to put it back together and get it running by night so it could pump the gas to the plant. And so I'm just driving through here going, oh my gosh, I remember that in Seminole, and I remember these fields. I remember driving this road. I remember being called out at midnight and have to drive out there to restart it. We were always on call. It was a very challenging job. I did that for 3 years before I ended up moving into the office. And I became a engineering tech when I moved into the office. But anyway, I'm just sitting here driving these roads and just reminiscing and thinking about all that time that I spent driving these back roads in the oil field and the cornfields and peanut fields. And I only say peanut fields, but I never saw a peanut field. But we were on one of the back roads going to the booster station in Lamesa, around Lamesa, not in the town of Lamesa. Anyway, we came across a pile of peanuts. At first we didn't know what it was. We stopped in the road and we were like, what in the world is that? So we got out and it was just this huge pile, almost up to our knees, maybe not that high, of raw peanuts. And we were like, hey, get the trash bag. And we started filling up the trash bag full of these peanuts, not knowing how long they'd been there. Got closer to the ground. Yeah, those were rotten. So they'd been there a little while, but we ate peanuts, took them home and roasted them in the oven. Some of them I ate raw. Don't want to do that too often. Too many of those. But anyway, I am just driving, and as far as you can see, just wide open fields. Now they have all the wind turbines out here. Back in the day, when I worked out here, they didn't have any. So, but there's some more of the wind turbines. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of share that, what I'm thinking about. I'm just sitting here driving and thinking of all these memories, and thought I'll share the peanut story with you. Yeah. But like I said, I did that for 3 years, and boy, I remember getting called out in the middle of the night and it was freezing cold. I didn't miss that. Once I got out of the field, I didn't miss that at all. But I sure do know what it feels like to work in the oil field. And well, my parents worked in the oil field, and I worked in the oil field with them for a while prior to the being a roustabout. But anyway, I just want to share that little story with you. So I think I will I've been listening to a book on Audible, so I think I'm going to turn that back on and enjoy the drive. I am in Snyder, Texas, and I just pulled over here at the courthouse because there was no traffic for a potty break. Sammy a potty break. Yeah, it's Sunday, so there's not really a whole lot happening here in the square in Snyder. But walking around a little bit, stretch my legs. Company G. Ooh. I think they've had some wind. Alright. Let's get back on the road. Alright, I was driving by and I saw this old Sinclair gas station. They've got it all set up like it was, I guess, back in the day. So let's go take a look at it. This is gonna be fun. Cool. Yeah, let's go look at it. Alright, so it's on a busy street, so I may just have to endure it or put some music to it. We'll see. Go through here kind of slow so we can see everything. Scurry County Visitor Center. Old oil cans, old Coca-Cola. Sinclair credit cards honored. 10 cents for a bottle of Cokes. Restrooms, can y'all see in there? Old payphone, old maps. There's a picture of it. Old jacket. Very cool. Look at that. No delay. Change the oil, flush motors right now, no delay. How cool is that? That old Chevy truck. Nice truck. How cool is that? I didn't go behind it. Look, behind it. It's a tire, headlight tester, wheel balancer, flats fixed 50 cents, full service, blades. That is so cool.